metema kuma si asante kotoko wamo akache wonim se $240,000 bi esha wa se kotoko tu a mo ne Esperance ntem no se se dia adwa yipuma kwan mu Dr. Kwame Chei atumi atua sika no a se se dia ka bia ni ho ne ade a na Kennedy Buachi ansa ono ye PRO ede ma metema acheche mu
na miadom ene Dr. Kwame Chei adaroma sa kotoko ne FIFA nsensem ne Esperance nsensem nyina no kotoko and I said Dr. Chei Abuama Asante Kotoko, it's been 2 years coming. This is hustling there. Namiadom, baby Akoto di. $240,000. Okay, I'm interested me. Sikane ye $240,000. The initial Sikane KC Tiano, $240,000, 525,000 cedis. Now the Koban said once a FIFA day Kratane Bray. Yes, we employ the services of a consultant, a close marking consult, Mr. Shotetoku, and Odano. And because yes, I responded to FIFA, and as I responded to Esperance, it took a bit of time and some year to Wonka. And I say Esperance also the Kotokosoka. And the consultant and he said we came into a settlement agreement. Yes, kana Esperance di ekano. $150,000. If you say na you say the mako FIFA, and also na interest so abeka says kano so. Ama no so akoso kakra. Nti Esperance dem here say okay. Ye mo fire $150,000 no. And ye tia extra $30,000. And Esperance for so an amount of $45,000 and accrued interest for the past 5 years na case na pending. And Esperance says can to China. So I'm for 50 says canon. And Kotokotia $30,000. Emma Esperance on the 20th of April. And Kotokotia says canon. And also Dr. Chei acquire transfer on behalf of Asante Kotoko. Editor says canon. And I would say for failure to respect a FIFA decision, and also you're fining $15,000, 525. And also no. On that same day, Dr. Chei, as you said, says carrying to the FIFA dollar account. He said, carrying free. Now, UTS carrying area now. I said 2 parties in the Motro, Monamos signing agreement in Simba Dachibi, Obi in Kotel, say, I didn't quite entry and I said, Utia. Now, if you say, yes, I told FIFA TSS, you settle case. Now it's will bring an end to the matter. I had in a case, and then the current administration, I said Dr. Chei administration, and a year, a be a better year. Then so in Chima so fanche say Yansa no, we say not sanctions no, if in Kitomine Kwakisi, but Dr. Chei I resolve it say, they say to a tribemable into Beso Asante Kotoko saying, no, is a kind of friend, and I'm not the Mayisa kind of free.